Coconuts and macaroons. Hello, coconut macaroons.
Hi friends, welcome back. Today I've got a little helper again. And what are we going to make today?
Coconut macaroon.
Okay,
So,
this is really simple, isn't it?
yes.
So we have, Mummy did some other baking.
Yeah.
And we had some leftover condensed milk. This is sweetened condensed milk. So all we're going to do is, it literally takes 2 ingredients to make these. It's so easy. It is some desiccated coconut. We have sweetened desiccated coconut, and we're going to mix into it
Condensed milk.
condensed milk. So we're going to use this to make sure we get all of it out.
Yeah, but first we're just gonna.
Do you want to do it?
You do it.
I'll do it. Okay. Don't forget to like, share, and
Well,
subscribe.
I'll do it now.
You want to do it now? Make up your mind. I was talking, mister. I was telling people what do they need to do if they like our videos.
Yeah.
What do they need to do?
Like, share, and subscribe.
Like, share, and
comment.
subscribe, and comment, and let us
Yeah.
know what you think of us making this for you.
Yes.
And showing you how to make it. Right, that's that in. Now you're going to time to mix it up. Give it a good mix.
This.
Yeah, so it's a lot of coconut.
Yeah.
If you feel the need, if your coconut absorbs a lot of liquid, by all means add a bit more condensed milk in. But this is just be a little bit patient. This is how much we have found works really well.
It's a bit stiff.
Is it a bit stiff?
Yeah.
Do you want me to have a go?
Yeah.
So we're just going to keep mixing it, and do add a bit more condensed milk. It depends on your coconut. Some coconut will absorb a bit more. I work off a 1-to-1 ratio. Do you want to have a little stir?
Thanks.
So you want it, can I just take a bit to show everyone?
Okay.
Yeah, you want it to be sticking together and holding together with the stickiness, but still falling apart a little. So when you squish it together, it will stick together, but it'll still look very crumbly while you're mixing it. Okay, I think we're pretty much done. Have you mixed it all up?
I don't know. You can check.
I'll check. That looks like pretty good mixing. Well done. So what we can do next is you can absolutely take it in your hands and scoop it up and pop it on your baking tray. But what we are going to do is we are going to use
An ice cream scoop.
an ice cream scoop. That's right. So all you're going to do is you're going to take a bit. I'm going to show you and you're going to do the rest.
Oh, yeah.
You grab a bit in your scoop like that. Now I have a scoop that will let it out very easily when we squeeze it. Yep. So we can put that on there, put it down, or you can put it straight on there.
Yeah, I'll put it on there.
Yeah. But you can actually do it. It's super quick. So you just have to make sure that it's compacted inside, that it's squished inside, and then you can let it out directly. Ooh,
That was a bit of a weird one.
yeah, on your baking tray. Now remember, as you're putting them on your baking tray, to leave a little bit of a gap, just to give them room to bake and to spread out. And I always squish them down a little bit as we go as well. My oven, while we've been making this,
See.
while we've been making this, my oven has been preheating on 160, so it should be nice and warm now, ready for us to put these in the oven. So as soon as these are on the tray, they're going to go in the oven for about 10 minutes, and we will see you on the other side once they are out of the oven to do the fun chocolate bit,
Yeah.
right?
Welcome back, everyone! The macaroons smell amazing.
They do smell pretty good, don't they? Yeah. So what you're looking for with your macaroons is you want them to have gone a very pale golden colour, as you can see from ours.
Yes.
They may have browned a bit more underneath, but that's nothing to worry about at all. And they'll be crisp on the outside, and when you actually do crack into them, they're going to be lovely and chewy and soft inside, aren't they? So that's what you're looking for. They are done. They came off the baking tray and they've cooled there slightly. Now we're going to do the second fun bit.
Yes.
Aren't we? Okay, so we're going to grab a macaroon. Do you want to do it?
Sure.
And we're going to dunk it in roughly to about just under halfway up the macaroon. And then let it drip
Maybe
off.
twirl it a
And you're going
bit.
to pop it on your baking sheet. That's right. And what we're going to do, so I'm just going to do one as well. And then we're going to start pushing it down and getting it up. Look at that. Look at that. Does that look good? Oh, don't try and eat it. It'll go up your nose.
It just looks really good.
And then, once you are done with that, we're just going to use a spoon. Do you want to drizzle it on?
Sure.
And we just grab a little bit of chocolate in your spoon, give it a twirl to stop it dripping, and then you're just going to drizzle it over. Look at that. And then You have to just be really patient and wait for it to set before you eat them. That's all. If you want to speed it up, you can pop it in the freezer. That will obviously speed it up a bit, or in the fridge. Thank you for joining us.
Yeah.
Happy baking, and we'll see you next time.
Maybe do a front flip on the trampoline.
Front flip on the trampoline. That's what we're going to do while these are setting.
Yeah.
Yeah? Happy baking, friends. See you next time. Bye.
Coconut, coconut, macaroons, where are you? Coconut, macaroons, where are you? We need you to film this video. Coconut, macaroons.